Here's a factor to think about and consider when you are trying to debate what is affordable but also durable. With James Hardie, you can get James Hardie Color Plus siding, which means that the siding has a color baked on at the factory. It comes pre-finished. When you get James Hardie Color Plus siding, you are getting an affordable product that's extremely durable, and you're actually saving some money. So sometimes we have a homeowner who is trying to save some money. They're looking at an engineered wood product. They're thinking, hey, this engineered wood product costs less than the James Hardie fiber cement. That's true, but how much does it cost to paint that? When you go and you factor in the cost of the engineered wood siding, get that installed, then factor in the cost of painting that siding, oftentimes the James Hardie Color Plus product comes out more affordable, and it's also more durable, which means that you're gonna get 15 years of finish. You get a 15-year finish warranty. You're gonna get 15 years of durability on the color, on the finish of that siding, compared to maybe 8 or 10 for that field applied paint on the engineered wood siding. James Hardie fiber cement siding is a highly durable product. It's gonna outperform any other product in a cold, wet climate like we get in the winter in the mountains, but also in a hot, dry environment like we get along the Front Range in the summer. It is specifically engineered for our climate, which is something that no other siding manufacturer can say, no other siding product. James Hardie is going to outperform a composite wood and engineered wood product, not just because of its formulation, but also its coating. It has a baked on finish that comes from the factory. A lot of engineered wood products, you're gonna get a field applied paint. That product, while it can be high quality, it's still just not gonna be as durable as what you get out of the James Hardie. So not to say that using an engineered wood product is bad, it's just not gonna be as good. The irony of that is that oftentimes it's more expensive to use that mid-range engineered wood product with a high quality paint, more expensive than the James Hardie highly durable Color Plus system.